You see over there the hill is acropolis.
Up on top of the hill?
Yeah.
Guys, this video has been all over the place. I don't think I even gave an introduction, but essentially, yes, we are officially on our honeymoon in Greece. It's been 3 years in the making, 3 very long years and a lot of planning. And I think, like, I know the song keeps going through my head, but of course now I forget the name of it. But it's one that goes like, Mama said there'd be days like this, there'd be days like this, Mama said. Needless to say, we made it to our hotel in Athens. We're staying at the, I don't know how to pronounce it now, you laughed at me when I tried, but Something like that. I'll give you guys a kind of brief overview of the outdoor space, not outdoor spaces, but the common spaces, and then here's a little tour of our room. So literally staying at the door. It's not very large by any means, but it's got everything we need. So we did opt for a king size bed. You have the 2 little nightstands. We have a corner room so we can kind of see outside, see the traffic. There is a TV. We won't be using that, but they do have an espresso maker with 3 espresso pods, 1 per day per person. Some water. Actually, I haven't even seen what flavors they have. Oh, they've got some tea too. And then a mini bar. That stuff's not free. However, the 1 water a day is. You got this little, like, has a name on it. Then there's robes. There are slippers. This hanging area, which is handy. And then that's to the bathroom. Pretty standard. Toilet, sink, mirror, and this like rain shower thing. And then you've got your own little soaps. I don't know if these are good brands or not, but I feel like this is also a really good time to mention that, like, so we had the hotel arrange a driver for us. Actually, it was, I mean, they had like a preferred driver that can pick you up. But this was like the first time ever that I've walked out of the arrivals and like someone's been standing there with a sign with my name on it. Of course, I forgot to film any of that because it was, I don't want to say like overwhelming, but it's been a while since we've traveled, especially internationally. We did check a bag, so we were anxious about like whether that had come through or not. But yeah, I'm gonna try and do better with like filming everything. We'll see. So I hope you enjoyed. This video is gonna take us kind of around Athens where we went for lunch, and then we'll see how long the video is. I don't know. The series is to be determined. It might be videos that are like per destination. It might end up being in a way like daily vlogs depending on the activities we're doing. What would you rather see? I don't know. Anyways, if you're not following me on Instagram, then you're not going to see these videos for a while, but Instagram things are mostly live, so I'll catch you over there, and let's see what we get up to for the rest of the video.
Good morning.
Thank you. Good morning, guys. I'm not gonna lie, kind of booking it this morning. After the jet lag hit me at 4 a.m. I was not the easiest person to wake up this morning, and I have a 9:30 booking or a 9:30 like excursion booked. So I'm on my way to that. There's a lot of traffic. I'll see you when I get there. So I've made it. I never really explained where I was going, so I'm going to a market tour and then it follows up with a cooking class based on the ingredients that we bought at the market. I'm going to link the excursion down below because it was so worth the money and I highly recommend if this is something you're interested in doing in Athens. John Barbacus was the man who gave the money to make this building, but in 1884 it takes fires and the work stops for a couple months. So finally it was ready in 1886 and from that never closed again except from Sundays, holidays, Easter and Christmas. It opens every day 6 a.m. and closes around 4 or 5 p.m. It depends the day. Inside of this building we have the meat market, the fish market, and behind us the vegetable market. All of the products they came from all around Greece, they don't barking the prices, so that's why all of them, they have a sign, they have to say what it is, from which area and how much it costs per kilo. So it's up to you how much you want to buy, 200 grams, 2 kilos, anything that you want. Here in Greece it's more common for us to eat veal, beef, pork and chicken, not so much lamb. Lamb we give it for a special occasion like Christmas or Easter. Let's have a look around, please. This is the biggest market in the center. Outside from Athens you will find many butchers, but they're not all of them in one place like here, they're all around. Ground beef.
Sorry?
Ground beef.
Ground beef, yes, but it's just like that. I'm gonna cook the ground beef and throw it to you. No. I thought you were going to take tzatziki. Tzatziki, yes. Some pie with orange. Orange pie, the dessert, yeah, 3 more.
Cover and filling and roll until our stem is a cut. And now side by side and slightly we fold the center. If something is wider like this part, we continue folding and then continue folding and then we roll as much as we can.
How much are you going to take?
Easy peasy. There. Put enough water to make everything wet. Very precise and also don't be scared. We have to support the olive oil producers.
Does that look like enough or more?
Okay. So it has to be shiny like that.
don't keep them. I never make promises, 'cause I don't keep them. 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 'Cause I don't keep
Bravo,
'cause I don't keep them.
Tylko bułki mamy bez jedzenia.
Hey guys, so I thought I would pretty much give you some updates because I haven't been great at transitions or explaining what's happening. It's just kind of been a lot of B-roll. So today we had the cooking class, then we came back and I went for a little swim, and then we did some logistical things. We did go ahead and get the Eurail Island, Greek Island pass in order to get the ferries at a discounted rate and whatnot, so we had to go to the train station to validate that. Then we're still a little jet lagged, like I mentioned earlier. I was up at 4 a.m. So we came back for a little nap, and Dally's still napping actually, and I've just come up to the rooftop of our hotel to have a coffee, read my book, and stare at the beautiful acropolis. I'm kind of like in awe. Like, I'll just turn you guys around and you can see it up there. Like, how is that my view? I'll give you a better, like, flip the camera and give you a better view, but like, I just feel like it's so surreal that we're actually here. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the series so far, or at least this video. I'm not sure which number it is, and I'm excited for what the next 2 weeks hold.